In this video, you are going to see how to make this creative thank you slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Let us go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here and make sure it covers the whole slide. Go to Shape Outline and make it no outline. Now again go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here. And let us write here thank you. Select it. Let us change the font to Montserrat extra bold and make the font to 110 point. And let us increase the text box size and place it at the center of the slide. Click on the rectangle and hold down the Ctrl key and select the text box. Go to Shape Format, go to Merge Shape and choose Subtract. Now click on this shape, go to Shape Effect, go to Shadow and let us choose this option, Offset Center. Again click on over here, Format Shape, go to Fill, select Gradient Fill and let us choose the gradient, this one, Light Gradient Ascent 3. And go to Direction and let us choose this one, Linear Right. Now we have to insert an image. Go to Insert, go to Picture, go to this device. Here I have created an image using ChatGPT. Click on Insert. Now click on the image. I have to add a animation. Go to Animation, choose this option, Grow and Shrink. Then go to Animation pane, go to this option, Animation Effect option, go to Timing and choose Until End of the Slide and click on OK. And click on it, go to With Previous. Now click on it and send it to back. Now go to Transition, click on over here and choose Box. And let us watch the slideshow. And here you will see this is looking very beautiful. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.